Hello, my dear children. I'm here to introduce the new letter through Phonic letter magical story. Do you all know why it's magical? Because we are going to guess the letter through the story. Once there were two best friends named Frida and Fredri who went for camping in the forest. They carried eatables like French fries, basket of some fruits and fresh fig fruit juice with them. Also a football to play for fun. On a bright sunny day, they went for an adventure to explore the different places around the forest. On the other side of the forest, there was a flamingo bird who was sad as he had lost his one pink feather. He asked the two flies who were flying around about his lost feather, but as they had not seen it at all, they said sorry to him and flew away. Then Flamingo thought it might have fallen inside the river. Suddenly, there came up a fish who was swimming inside the river. He told Flamingo that even he had not seen his feather deep inside the water. He said sorry and went back inside the river. Later, Frida and Fredri came along the riverside. Flamingo told about his lost feather and they told him not to worry. They made a wish. Flamingo's feather is lost in a river somewhere. Can someone find it anywhere? Just then, a frog jumped out from the river with the flamingo's pink feather and he gave it to him. Flamingo was thrilled with joy to get back his lost feather and he thanked all three of them. Later, Frida and Fredri went back to their tent to rest and to get ready for the next day adventure. So, my dear children, I hope you all enjoyed the story and also learned from it. Now, let's have a look at the words from the story that has same beginning letter and same beginning sound. Frida, Fredri, fruit, French fries, fresh fig fruit juice, football, flamingo, feather, fish, flies and frog. So, my dear children, you all must have guessed the letter we have learned through the story. Let me draw the letter on this book and you see if you are correct or not. So here goes. Start from standing line from up to down. Lift your pencil. Go at the top. Start from left to right. Draw a big sleeping line. Then lift your pencil again. Go at the center.
and draw a sleeping line from left to right, but this time a short one. Then on another page, start from right, make a curve, go down and make a standing line. Then lift your pencil, draw a sleeping line at the center from left to right. So my dear children, are you able to identify which letter is this? Oh, yes, the letter is F.
So, children, wasn't it fun to learn the letter through the story? Now, my dear children, let's learn how to say the phonic sound of letter F. You just have to say the sound by pushing the air out of the mouth between the top of the teeth and upper back side of the bottom lip. And the sound that you hear is so, my dear children, until I meet you next time, do practice the letter formation and also the phonic sound. I will see you in the next video. Bye, children. Keep learning.